Alright, got a small unboxing video today from Stillwater, Oklahoma themselves. Alright, what do we have for today? Lots of packaging. Alright, where do we start? Oh, what's this? Alright, what should we start with first? We'll go with this guy right here. What's this? Sub? Kicker pen. Oh, you gotta have an extra one just in case you lose it. That's cool. Now these right here are the Kicker wallets. You just peel the adhesive on the back and stick it onto your cell phone, and it's good for like a credit card, any kind of identification, you know, anything that's about that size that would fit in there you could use for. I got a couple of them just in case I get a new phone case or a new phone down the road, and I have extras because I think they're pretty cool. And these are new from Kicker here. Actually, I got a couple more pens. Love my Kicker stuff. Now this right here, this is the enchilada in the box. Now this is just a Kicker grill cover. I got this for Kayla's car. She has the Kicker Comp, the black and white version, one of the newest versions that they have right now, in a sealed box. I'll show you here in a minute, on a ZX 550.2. Ran at 4 ohms, bridged, so she's seeing around 250 RMS to that 150 RMS sub. Now why I got this for her here is because she uses her car as a daily. This is not a daily. I have 2 vehicles that are dailies. Every car I have has a Kicker in it somewhere. Subs, door speakers, you name it. Now this is just a grill cover to go over top, so when she does her shopping, or she has her baby bag in the car, or anything you can imagine, you throw stuff back there, you want to just throw it back there and not have to worry about, should I put it this way, should I put it that way? Just set it and forget it. Now these are really nice. They have other ones that actually have a backlight in the rear of them, and they are controlled remotely. Those are pretty nice. They have them for the L7s, 8, 10, and 12, I believe. And this is a 10-inch regular grill right here. It'll go very nicely with her setup. Something I wanted for a while. I asked Kip about it. It works at Kicker, and boy did he deliver, because now they are available to the market. And the first thing you see when you walk in my house is a Kicker floor mat. Very rugged, easy cleaning. I mean, you could use that for a lot of things here. I really like it. Get a good look at it. That's cool. I really like that a lot. Like I said, small unboxing video, just a few odds and ends, things I wanted to get, and stay tuned for the next video with the JY 40AH HP 40, actually. Lithium battery banks that I'm getting that are going in here so I can demo for days. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.